everybody, and welcome back to our channel, Science and Experiments. Today we will be unboxing the Asus VivoBook 14. So this is the Asus computer notebook with the model name X409MA. It has 4GB RAM, 1TB storage, it has Windows 10, it has integrated graphics, and the color is transparent silver, and it weighs about 1.6 kgs. Now let's unbox the new Asus VivoBook. I'm gonna open the box now. Wow, so this is how it looks inside. The laptop is protected with this cloth. And this is the manual that comes along with it. And it says, "In search of incredible" over here. And inside over here, you have the charger. We will get the laptop out of the cover now. Wow, this looks really cool. I'm gonna open the laptop now. So this is how it looks like on the inside. This is the keyboard and this is the screen. This is the charger that has come completely sealed. Let's open the seal. So this is how the charger looks like. And it has to be plugged into this. So you push it in like this. And that's how we can use the charger. So let's switch on the new Asus VivoBook 14. I'm gonna hold down on the power button. The manual instructs you to charge the laptop before turning it on, so I charged it for some time. Now let's turn it on. So you open the laptop, then you open it and then hold down on the power button. And the screen shows this. Asus in search of incredible. So you wait for some time for the screen to load in. So this comes with the Intel quad-core Pentium Silver, and over here it mentions that it has a NanoEdge display, as the screen is very thin, and it is pretty lightweight, and it says super battery. So I'll start with the setup of the laptop. You first choose the language. And then you press yes.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
So Cortana helps you with the setup of the laptop.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
That was it for the unboxing of the laptop. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on so you don't miss our videos. And check out the link in the description below to buy this laptop from Amazon. Comment your thoughts on our videos and mention any suggestions that you have to improve our videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Bye guys!